quite frankly, I'm thrilled with the product, and I obviously plan to use it again on the next house. There's a very good chance that I won't stick build again because I'm so impressed with the product. One thing that I was concerned about from the get-go was whether these panels would actually fall on layout where they're supposed to fall. In other words, once I put that track down, this channel, and I start screwing panels together, does it end up on the 44-foot mark, which this house is 44 feet long.
And did it work out?
Does it end up on the 24-foot? Perfect. And so, quite frankly, I marveled at that you got it so perfect in the factory. But yeah, everything, and it as you can see, it goes up quite nicely, and everything's perfect. It's easy to plumb. Everything's square. And yeah, if you get your deck right and you get it square, these things will follow right along. What I used to fasten down the 18 gauge channel is I use these little spacks, and they self tap, so you don't have to drill. My little impact driver, battery operated. Matter of fact, I haven't used any electricity here. It's all been battery operated.
No electricity.
Everything battery operated. And the only thing that I would caution is when you screw these panels together with these screws to screw it into the channel, you really do need the proprietary screw gun. What we're doing now is we're pre-drilling and then coming back with the collated screw by hand, one at a time, and it's cumbersome. So you need the collated screw gun. There's a couple on the market that I'm aware of. The one that Thermasteel uses, which is a Makita brand, and a grabber head on it. And you guys, you have the number of Thermasteel somewhere. And I've got a DeWalt model with the grabber head, which is battery operated, which I'm going to try. I expect good things out of it, and I talked to the grabber rep, and he said it should be no problem. And as you can see, this is about 6 hours worth of work.
So
and
everything here, 6 hours of work?
Everything 6 hours.
Did you have here a crane to put it up?
Well, not only that, 6 hours, you want to say, I want to say 6 hours, but I also want to impress the fact that I'm not tired.
No crane?
No crane. I'm not tired. Now, I used that Cat 259D with forks to offload. Probably the hardest part of this project was offloading the panels off my truck. But even that, once I got it, because, it's a high volume of panels. So my recommendation is to have a company deliver them and let them, it comes, and then fork them off the truck. And then, but, if you don't have the money, then, and you don't mind, if you're long on time and short on cash, then look, one guy. Now, yes, I'm a strong guy, but one guy can handle these panels.
Wow. Yeah.
So, anyway, that's it. It's a good product, and it's probably the way I'll frame from now on.